masain si bai le veku tuntum ka video chu hote mai ania ma se nu le pa pi le pu no pang tero te ni tan karonda ani kan Tute Lehkhabu kan Chhiar pui hi apoi mo zia karon soidua ke ni pon kan Tute Lehkhabu kan han Chhiar pui.
What are we doing today, Tute?
We're gonna read a book.
How many books are we going to read?
3.
3? Oh, I thought we were going to read 5 books. Okay, show on the camera what we're going to read. Grandpa Loves Me. 1, 2, 3. And what else we're going to read? It says, God made us. So, and then the third one is, remember, hey, big baby, big baby elephant, big idea. And then baby bunny te kan Chhiarang tro bit te he ta hian Peekaboo ti kan Chhiar don boka chuan Easter color.
These ones are on my leg.
Okay, now you pick bit te khoi nge kan Chhiar ma sak berang le. You want this or this one?
Oh, this one.
Okay,
Let's count these.
okay, count.
1, 2, 3.
What does it say? Grandpa loves me. Okay, read it. Seiji and read. Okay, I'm gonna. Okay, Seiji, read right.
My grandpa really
Loves me.
Together we have such fun. We'll count
The ways
he
he loves me.
Let's start with number 1. Big bear hug. Grandpa lifts me off
My feet. Okay. Turn the page. All right. Oh, look. They have lots of food. Hey, bread, the grape, then they don't for. You know what don't for is? Watermelon. Okay. What that? Okay.
Number 2.
Okay,
Picnic boxes.
Okay. Oh, it's picnic basket.
Filled with
Okay. For us to eat.
for us to eat.
Okay. All right, but put your thing down right now with there. Okay, here's it. 3 bouncing balls. Grandpa show me how to play. 3 bouncing ball. Grandpa.
Ice cream.
Oh yeah. Okay. Here, let's do the next page. Next page, left.
Oh, look at that.
Oh. Okay. Seiji, read right.
Giant bubble swim.
Watch
Watch
them float
Look,
away.
look.
Look. Hey. Yang hi kan Chhiar. Chhiar thiam to lu to kan ya say.
Emmy,
Yeah, let's turn the page, okay? Okay.
Emmy, look at that.
Okay. Okay, Seiji, read right. Ka Chhiar.
Number 5.
Favorite books.
Let's see something.
Oh, yes.
Grandpa reads each one to me.
Great.
Look at that. Look at that.
Tell what is that?
A butterfly.
A butterfly. Yes. Here, let's show. There's a butterfly. A bear is reading. Okay. All right, Seiji, turn the page.
Jumping fish. We count each one.
Okay, closer here.
1 to see.
Oh,
2,
fish can jump up and down.
4, 5, 6. There's 6.
Oh, 6 fishes, right?
Yeah.
Here. 6 fishes jumping. And sangha did it right there. Sangha.
Look, it says 6.
Oh, 6. Say sangha.
Sangha.
Oh, sangha. Sangha.
Look at that.
Hey, varak tero bite varak.
Oh, look at that. He's going to form the water.
Okay. Do the next page, Seiji.
Good, next page.
Okay. Oh.
7.
Okay.
Big pushes on the swing. Oh, let me see which one's the right
Yeah.
one.
Okay.
Let's see
All
which
right.
one's the right one.
Okay. Here, let's
I can do.
show it. See, we have. Say. Okay. Say. Pakat.
Pecan,
Pani.
bunny,
Patum.
natum,
Pali.
ballet,
Banga.
banga,
Paruk. Pasari.
Pasari.
Okay, 7 is
Okay,
pasari, okay?
Okay, this one's not the right one.
Okay,
This one's not the right one.
okay.
This one's not the right one. This one's not the right one. This one's not the right one. This is one the right, one.
And who's that? The mama. Oh, Care Bear.
Wait,
Care
which one's the
Bear
mama?
pasari.
Wait, what's the mama?
The mama. The mama's pushing. Okay. All right, what is that? Seiji, read it.
8
Seconds to count as I hide.
in the dark.
Right.
Oh, it's
Anin biruk siak. Anin biruk siak as someone's hiding. Someone's hiding.
Wait a second. So let's count them. 6, 7.
Okay, oh yeah, count from the beginning.
Tute,
Say pakat,
Peekaboo,
pani,
bunnies,
patum,
Lehkhabu,
pali,
bunnies,
panga,
uh,
parok,
barok.
pasare,
Pasari.
kariat.
Balea.
6,
Okay, so 5,
4,
3, 2, 1. Here I come. Pakat pani te kan siar tiam tonya hey. Tiam lutuk. Okay, the last page. Oh no, maybe the second last. Yeah, Seiji. Seiji, move. Okay, here.
Oh, that's just
What is that?
twinkling stars in the sky shining.
Let's
bright.
count them.
Great, Seiji. Mm-hmm.
Right there.
Oh, that's a birdie, an owl.
And look at that.
Uh-huh. What that? Oh, the spider?
Yeah.
Yeah, low and tirang. Pakwa. Til pakwa o mani. Okay, count again. How many stars count?
Yes, said that.
Okay,
1,
2, 3, 4,
5, 6, 7,
8, 9. Okay, we're gonna count in Mizo, okay? Bakat,
Bakat.
Pani,
Bani.
Patum,
Batu.
Pali,
Bali.
Panga,
Banga.
Parok,
Balo.
Pasare,
Pasari.
Pariat,
Bayan.
Pakwa.
Aqua.
Okay, Pakwa means 9. Okay, let's see. 10. Okay, what 10? What? Okay. Seiji, read it.
Maybe what we do this
Okay.
one's gonna be that.
To say I
This one's gonna be that.
love you and good night.
I love you. Good night. Oh, look at the heart. Heart. 10 hearts we have. Okay. Let's count from the beginning. Count a little bit there.
How about
Okay.
the hearts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
7,
8, 9,
10. Yeah, 10 hearts.
Oh, look, there's an alien
Yeah, oh look, Seiji, did you see the alien?
right here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Look
Okay.
at that rat. He's reading
Oh,
the book.
a mouse is reading a book. Hey, Sazu pon na lo Chhiar ve.
Look right there.
What's in there? Oh, he's peeking. Hey, Sazu lo lang het ayan Sazu te.
Oh, look, he's sleeping.
Oh, there everybody's going sleeping night.
Look.
Oh,
The other guy's hiding.
I know. Okay, let's see. Okay, you're gonna repeat after me. Okay, here, the tip. Bakat,
Bakat.
Bane,
Bani.
Patum.
Batum.
Are you gonna do it? Pali,
Bali.
Panga,
Banga.
Parok.
Barok.
Seiji. Pasare,
Pasari.
Pariat,
Banat.
Pakwa,
Bagwa.
Som.
So.
Some 10 hugs. Papa Bear's giving. Let's see, we count 10 on our fingers. Okay, hold it like this. Bakat,
Bakat.
Pani,
Bani.
Patum,
Betul.
Pali,
Bali.
Panga,
Bana.
Barok,
Barok.
Pasare,
Basari.
Pariat,
Ba.
Pakwa,
Bakwa.
Som. So you have 10 som fingers. Which one? Bunny, baby, touch and feel bunny. All right, here.
Look.
Oh, Oh, so fluffy.
So fluffy, so soft.
So soft.
Wait a second.
Hello.
Over here.
Oh, yeah, the flowers. You can feel it here too.
Yeah, too.
Okay. What it says? Seiji.
Gray bunny.
Oh, gray
Feel-
bunny.
feel- One,
Bunny.
2, 3,
What the
Uh-huh.
fluff?
Okay.
Fluffy
Ah,
fur.
fluffy niya. Oh, fluffy. Taro.
4.
Fluffy, lutuk.
Oh, fluffy.
Fluffy. Okay, I can feel that here, right? Yeah, okay. You're done
What
here.
furry fur?
Okay.
White bunny.
White bunny. Oh, so soft
Oh,
here.
so
the-
soft.
Oh.
We got the black bunny.
Uh-huh. The black bunny. Okay, let's turn the page. Turn the page. Okay. Ngaithla. Yan.
Oh, we feel this. We feel this.
Oh.
Oh, this. It's specific.
Okay.
Bread.
Seiji. Chhiar.
Best friends.
Okay.
Bunny and puppy.
Okay. Okay. What?
Why getting my hand?
Let's cuddle.
Okay.
Bunny and kitten.
why
Okay.
grabbing
Bunny
my-
and kitten.
Why do you got my hand?
I
so
feel.
hard?
Oh, it feels. It's the fur coming out, right? Say ahmul.
Moon?
Ahmul. He mul mo. Ahmul. Okay. Turn page. Seiji. Chhiar. Oh, hold on. We're done with.
Oh.
Three pals.
Oh.
One, two, three.
Oh.
Bunny and chick.
Bunny and
the
cheeks.
ears. We feel
Okay.
the ears.
What?
Big ears.
And
Little beak.
Still.
okay.
Bunny
Can you
and
feel it's a
duckling.
little rough? Say abing.
Up in.
Abing ani khatro bite hey beng amul thiap. Beng. This is your bang and this is bunny's bang. That's your bang. Okay. Oh,
Okay, now which
the
one?
next one. Okay, read it.
What they funny bunny.
Funny bunny.
in it.
Wait. You feel
Bunny in a
I feel
teacup.
something. I feel this.
Oh, you feel it? Okay. Bunny in a cup. Bunny ka.
Oh,
No
yes.
chung ah, malom.
You feel this too.
Peekaboo.
Peekaboo.
Bunny in a watering can.
Watering can. Oh, bunny ka. Can chung ah. Tui pek na chung kan no malom tro. All right. Okay. Chhiar.
Lots of long black ears.
Let's feel it. Let's feel
Okay,
it.
okay, you feel
Bunny
it?
family.
You can feel it. And then let's feel this.
Oh, say amul, tro amul.
See, did you feel this?
Bye bye, bunny tail.
All right. Okay. Bunny kan Chhiar zota. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Kan lo me.
Come on, man.
All right.
Come on, man.
Thank you. All done. คดีส่งคาตัวนาตานาก็เราแชร์และเทเจ้าจวนนี่อ่ะก็เราเม thank you so much and God bless